capital, closing capital. Here we have capital introduced and we have drawings. So from these items, now I'll show you how to calculate profit for the year. So before we start, let us have a look at the questions. So here we see a summary of receipt and payment account, okay, for the year ended 31st March 2022. Here we see receipts. Under receipts we have capital introduced $8,000, okay. Then we have payments. Here on the payments we see drawings, okay. It is a question mark. In our previous lesson I showed you how to calculate drawings. Before you watch this video, I will recommend please watch that one, how to calculate drawings. Then you come back here to understand how to figure out profit for the year. Okay, so at the end of the question we have capital. It is a question mark, okay. So 31st March 2022, it is the ending of the year, okay. That means closing capital we also figured out, okay, we extracted. So here on the question our requirement is calculate status profit for the year ended 31st March 2022, okay. So here we have a formula. We need to know the formula how to figure out capital, okay. We know profit for the year equal to closing capital plus goods drawings plus cash drawings minus capital introduced minus opening capital, means capital at the beginning of the financial period, okay. So here on the questions we don't have all the items. We have capital introduced, we have closing capital and we have drawings, okay. So opening capital is not given, so it is not a requirement to calculate here profit for the year, okay. So let us write here the formula first. Profit for the year equal to so here first of all we will write closing capital plus cash drawings plus goods drawings, okay, minus capital introduced minus opening capital, okay. So here on the questions we don't have opening capital, okay. So without this opening capital still we can calculate profit for the year, okay. So here now we will write the amounts here, the value. So cash drawings and goods drawings we wrote here separately. If you write here drawings and if you sum up these two amounts here, it is also okay, no problem. So here we will write the closing capital. So on the questions we did not have closing capital, okay, we calculated closing capital. So see here is a statement of affairs or balance sheet, whatever you call. Here we calculated capital $8,905. This was not given, okay. So here I recommend you please watch this video how we calculated closing capital. Then you come back here to understand profit for the year, okay, calculation of profit for the year. Okay, so great. Now first of all we will write the closing capital. It is $8,950. So let us write here profit for the year equal to closing capital $8,905. So we have cash drawings and goods drawings. So goods drawings we calculated, okay. We had selling price, we figure out cost price, okay. Cost price of the drawings, you please watch that video as well, okay. So here on the questions, during the year ended 31st March 2022, Stella took goods from the business for her own personal use, okay. The selling price of these goods was $3,375. Her markup was 25%, okay. So it is a goods drawing. So we calculated here cost price of this drawing, okay. It was $2,700. Okay, so let us write here plus $2,700. Okay, on the questions we have Record the total receipts and total payments to Stellar's bank account showing the cash drawings for the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, so here in this bank account we figured out cash drawings $7,800. Okay, so we will write here cash drawings $7,800. Okay, so now we will subtract capital introduced and opening capital. So opening capital we don't have, so we don't have to write, but we will subtract here capital introduced. It is $8,000 on the question you already saw. So here minus $8,000. Okay, so now what to do? Now if we sum up these three amounts, and from the addition if we subtract this amount, the capital introduced, we get here profit for the year $11,405. Okay, so this is profit for the year. Okay.